Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from the beginning. First, define what you want to achieve in each study session. This helps maintain focus and track progress. Next, choose a quiet, dedicated study area. Ensure it's free from distractions like your phone or social media. Finally, gather all your books, notes, and supplies before you start. This prevents interruptions and keeps your momentum going. Once you're set up, break down large topics into smaller, digestible parts. This makes learning less overwhelming and more effective. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Try summarizing concepts in your own words or even explaining them aloud to an imaginary audience. Incorporate spaced repetition by reviewing material at increasing intervals. This significantly boosts your long-term memory and understanding. To maintain focus, incorporate short, regular breaks into your study schedule. A 5 to 10-minute break every hour can refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Celebrate small victories by rewarding yourself after completing a study goal. This positive reinforcement keeps motivation high. Remember to stay hydrated and get enough sleep. These are crucial for your brain to process and retain information effectively. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Finally, regularly review previously learned material. This reinforces your understanding and helps solidify information in your memory. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't in your study routine. Don't be afraid to adjust your methods if something isn't effective. If you encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, classmates, or online resources. Continuous improvement is key to successful studying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.